Listen to the story carefully. Story 104. The Art of Gentle Cooking. Lena stood in her kitchen, preparing for dinner. "I want something healthy but quick," she said, looking at her ingredients. Her AI assistant, Chef Bot, appeared on the counter. "Let's make this easy," Chef Bot suggested. Boiling, steaming and poaching are simple methods that preserve the natural flavors and nutrients. Lena grabbed a pot of water for boiling the vegetables. Boiling seems straightforward. What's the trick to keeping them vibrant? Chef Bot explained. Add a pinch of salt to the water and don't overcook them. For steaming, it's all about gentle heat. Steamed fish is my favorite. Lena set the fish in a steaming basket. Sounds delicious. And poaching? Poaching is perfect for eggs or delicate meats, Chef Bot replied. Simmering in a flavorful liquid at low heat ensures the food stays tender. Lena poached eggs in a broth and served the meal. "This is so much easier than I thought. Healthy, delicious and quick." Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.